In this tutorial, we will be talking about why are chain reactions important. It is believed that chlorofluorocarbons, abbreviated as CFCs, in the stratosphere are destroying the ozone layer. Ozone is a molecule made from three oxygen atoms bonded together, O3. It decomposes to oxygen. Actually, too much ozone at ground level causes lung irritation and degradation of paints and plastics, but high in the atmosphere it has a vital role. The ozone layer is important because it protects the Earth from the harmful exposure to too many ultraviolet rays. Without this protective layer, life on Earth would be very different. For example, plankton in the sea, which are at very bottom of the food chain of the oceans, need protection from too much UV radiation. Also, too much UV radiation causes skin cancer in people by damaging DNA. So this ozone layer over here will protect the Earth from ultraviolet radiation from the sun, because if this ultraviolet radiation will pass all into the Earth, life would have been different. And this is because too much ultraviolet radiations causes skin cancer in people by damaging DNA and also affects food chain of the oceans. So this is a CFC molecule containing carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. In the presence of ultraviolet radiation, the bond between carbon and Cl will break homolytically to produce a chlorine radical, Cl radical. So this Cl radical now will attack the ozone molecule to produce OCl radical and an O2 molecule. So this is a radical, OCl radical. Then this radical as well will attack ozone and regenerate a Cl radical. So ClO radical plus O3 will produce two O2 molecules, two oxygen molecules, and a Cl radical again. So at the beginning, a Cl radical will attack O3 to produce ClO radical plus O2, and then this radical will attack O3 to produce 2O2 and Cl radical. If we add these two equations, we will find that the chlorine-free radical is not destroyed in this process, and it acts as a catalyst in the breakdown of ozone to oxygen. So that's why chlorofluorocarbons CFCs in the stratosphere are destroying the ozone layer, because they are forming a Cl radical which acts as a catalyst in the breakdown of ozone to oxygen, and thus this ozone layer will not be able to protect Earth from ultraviolet radiations.